What's up, guys? Welcome back to In Gear. Today we've got the REV'IT Proteus armor jacket. Kind of a lot going on here, so let's get into it. So the REV'IT Proteus armor jacket, what would you use this for? This isn't actually like your normal motorcycle jacket. This is built to be worn under a jersey. So this is part of REV'IT's Dirt series that's more focused on adventure, enduro, dual sport type riding. So what you're gonna use something like this for is, I would always suggest wearing a base layer. This one's actually very comfortable, so you don't necessarily need it if you wanna cut that out, but it does help wick sweat. So you do a base layer, your armor jacket, and then throw your jersey on over that. And the reason this armor jacket is fitted the way it's supposed to be is because of the armor, right? We've got armor in the back, shoulders, chest, and elbows. And this whole chassis is super stretchy, it's really comfortable, and it's designed to be tight on your body. That way, if you have an incident, you're riding off road, it's bound to happen, the armor is gonna stay in place. And that's gonna be really important, obviously, just for making sure impact areas are covered. With this chassis, again, it's this like really stretchy chassis. You've got this dense, it's called Hicom mesh on the outer areas where you could run into abrasion issues. And then you've got what REV'IT calls its power stretch mesh, which is super breathable on all the other areas to give you that mobility and help you just like get, things breathing a little bit better. I didn't mention the rib cage armor. You do have a little bit of SEEFLEX, REV'IT's SEEFLEX armor in the rib cage, which a lot of armor jackets on the market don't have. So I really like seeing that on this. But what you've got in the shoulders and the elbows are going to be REV'IT's SEESOFT, CE level 2 rated armor. And if you see it here, you can see how it's kind of a little bit of a honeycomb pattern. It's really flexible, it's comfortable. It's kind of heavy, I will say that. And when you have a lot of it in a jacket, an armor jacket like this, it does get to be, this is one of the heavier armor jackets I think that I've tried out. So that's probably one downside that I would say about this. But the armor's super comfortable, it does breathe, and you have that in the shoulders and elbows. In the back and chest, you've got REV'IT's SEEFLEX armor. The back protector is going to be CE level 2, but the chest protector is CE level 1. It's kind of this like triple foam for the front. I think there's an extra layer in the back. Obviously, it's also perforated to get a little bit of airflow. Doesn't flow a ton of air. The back protector or this one, REV'IT does have a back protector similar to this that has a lot more perforation in it, and that one's definitely a lot better, but not a ton of airflow gets through this. And when it's tight on your body, it's not really gonna move a lot of air there. So, it's not a big deal, honestly, to me. The thing that I don't like as much as other armor jackets that I've worn is the armor, the chest armor and the back armor specifically is kind of thick. So when you have it on, it just kind of protrudes a little more. You might have to if you wear a hydration pack, you might have to cinch it out a little bit, but not really a big deal. And then some other features that are kind of specific to this, it's a little bit longer. So basically, you'll pull it down, get it zipped up, and you have a rubberized hem on the inside so it doesn't rise up, and that works really well. Some people thought that it kind of, the zipper came up a little high. I don't find that to be a problem at all with this one. It fits really comfortably. Again, it's also got a 4-inch kidney belt, so that kind of helps, support your back a little bit and helps keep the jacket in place. Dig that feature. One thing that I'm not crazy about, but it's kind of a subjective thing, are these thumb loops. And if you don't use them, there's kind of a lot of material there around your wrist if you push it back. And it's just another point that gets kind of hot. I would say overall, that's the thing that I don't like the most about this armor jacket versus other armor jackets that I've used. It's fairly warm, and I think that is that Hicom dense mesh on the sides. The rest of it flows a lot of air, but overall with this amount of armor and this dense Hicom mesh, it ends up being a fairly warm armor jacket. I've used quite a few different styles and brands that make things like this, and I would say this one is fairly heavy. It's kind of warm, but it's also very comfortable. Like the fabrics and everything are really, really comfortable. And all of this armor is also removable. So after, like I said, it's real hot out there and you've been working on the trail, on an adventure bike, whatever, you're liable to get this thing smelling pretty ripe. So it's nice to be able to pull all that armor out and toss it in the wash. It's like a low temperature, hang dry. That's how you take care of it. But It's also one of the pricier options at like 250 bucks. Yeah, not inexpensive, but you can get this thing. They're all in black. You don't get any color options. It's meant to be worn under stuff anyway. And you got small through XL for sizing. Overall, a pretty solid option from REV'IT.